We are live. What's up, everyone? Mr. DeYoung here with Ms. Bettinelli, coming to you with a brand new game called Ring of Fire from the creators of Burpee Baseball. Ring of Fire is a volleying game, and so you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a piece of paper, which hopefully we've already made in class. You can see mine and Ms. Bettinelli's. You're going to need a sock ball or something you can throw at your piece of paper. You're going to need a balloon or a bag or something to volley. And you're going to need a ring of objects on the ground. Ms. Bettinelli has a ring of socks. Behind me, I've got a circle of colored pencils, something to mark your space so you know where you have to stay in. Ring of Fire is a volleying game where your object is to volley it 10 times in a row while keeping at least 1 foot inside your circle. If you get to 10 times, you get to throw your sock ball possibly 2 times to try and hit your target. If you hit your target and knock it down, you can see mine is knocked down, you're going to show your opponent what is on the ground. Okay, this says leg. That means that my opponent now cannot use that leg while trying to volley their object. Once an opponent has lost all 4 limbs, 2 arms and 2 legs, they lose. Okay? Now, this is going to be a little difficult. We're going to give it a go. Ms. Bettinelli and I are going to show you how to play. So hang with us. I'm going to leave my target right here by this. I'm going to bring my volleying object and my throwing object to my circle with me. Oh, the last thing I forgot to mention was each time you volley this, so each time you hit it, you need to hit your leg. You need to touch your knees with both hands. You're going to start losing limbs, so you might not have both arms, and you might just be volleying with feet too. In that case, we don't have to touch our knees, but if we have both arms, both hands need to touch our knees before we can hit again. Again, this is called Ring of Fire. Ms. Bettinelli, Mr. DeYoung, you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh.
Are you ready, Mr. D?
All right, I am now. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's high.
7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Okay, Mr. D, you have lost a leg.
Ah.
Lost a leg, my friend.
Lost a leg too, Ms. Bettinelli.
Oh, boy. Okay.
Woo.
6,
2, 3.
9, 10. Oh, lost my softball. I have to stay in the ring. Uh-oh, I get 2 tries because I missed the first one. And
I missed.
oh, I hit. Oh, you're not going to like this, Mr. D, because you lost an arm.
Oh, all right, that's fine.
No arm, no leg.
This is hard. I'm not gonna lie.
This is
Take my
awesome.
leg. Oh, you lost your other leg.
Oh, that's 2 legs?
Yeah,
Oh,
I got
gosh.
it.
Okay, here we go.
Bettinelli's going down on her baton, her backside, her tush. You could also go back onto your knees if you'd like.
More workout, a little bit better.
1,
5, 6,
3.
8. All right, here we go. Get ready, Mr. D. You're lucky I missed.
Oh no. 10. What a save there, folks.
All right.
Save of the century.
Oh, Mr. D, what happens when I throw and I miss twice?
Then I get lucky. I don't have to lose anything.
Okay, so I just keep throwing back and forth. Volleying with no legs.
You lost the leg, but that don't matter because you don't have a leg. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna use my knees this time. Going down. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to stop us there.
Throwing? Wait, no, I'll go one more time, Mr. D. I need to get one more limb down. Yes, hold on. You lost.
Another
leg.
leg. That's
Boy,
fine.
boy.
This game would be, all right. So that's the beginning of the game. Obviously, we didn't finish. Ms. Bettinelli was winning at the time we stopped because I had 2 legs gone and an arm. She just had 2 legs. The game ends if someone loses all 4 limbs, 2 arms, 2 legs, and then you play again. If you're the winner, you're going to shrink your circle a little bit, make it a little more difficult. Okay, and if you lost, you're going to keep your circle the same. Or if it really wasn't close and you were having a hard time staying in your circle, open it up a little bit. All right. But this is Ring of Fire.
Mr. D, so much fun. I'm a little bit out of breath. I feel like I got
I'm very out of breath. Hopping on one
cardio workout
at a time was a challenge. So have fun, and we will see you all later.